give them prayer hands. Say what's up, America? Half of you should know me, right? Other half a replica.
Hey, what's up, guys? So today I'm gonna be showing you how to make your very own boat that you can control and build your boat. What's the name of this game? And build a boat for treasure on Roblox. So yeah, guys. So what you gotta do first, get one of these things. Doesn't matter which one, because you're gonna delete it anyway. And stack it 2 up. I'm pretty sure. I don't think it matters how much you stack it up. And then just make like an L. Except the L has to be. Here, let me get up here. It has to be too high. Like 2 blocks. So, and then you take this seat, which I only have 1 of. And actually, I'm going to open up one of these cases. Oh, 24 titanium, I think. Okay. So, what you got to do, put this here and slowly move it back. Like that. And then you get stuck like that. And then delete these. And then you can delete the bottom one too. See, look, it's just like that. It's that simple, guys. Cool. And then literally you can move it and you don't even die. And actually the current doesn't even move you. Like, you can just stand on the water and you don't die at all. See, look. Normally it pushes you down. Well, it is slowly, but barely anything is happening. So I'm gonna just like go a few, see how far I can get. And the funny thing is, since it's like a curve like that, like since it's on an angle, like if there's someone else's boat, you could like go up it, sort of. I mean, not really, but sometimes, like if you get lucky, you'll be able to like push right up on it. It's weird. So this probably. Oh, I didn't even launch this. Yes. Okay. People that see me are gonna be like, what? How is that guy controlling it? See, look. I can like weave in and out of these. Nope. I feel like I'm just gonna hit it by accident. No. So, this is gonna be a while. So, yeah, guys. I'm gonna get to the end and I'm gonna put some music. So hopefully you enjoyed this video.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So yeah, guys, you saw that. I don't know what happened. I must have hit a rock or something. But yeah, guys, you know what to do. You can just avoid the rocks better than I did. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to share it with your friends and leave a like, comment, subscribe, and peace.
We make the streams louder.